Hello party people, welcome to Finance with Tony. I'm Tony and here we're sharing ideas about a frugal lifestyle. Hot hello from Siberia, hot hello all the way from Novosibirsk City. On the background you can see the building of Leroy Merlin. It's a significant player in the market of repairment, construction materials, construction equipment, and so on and so forth. I'll give you the scoop what's going on in this area here in Novosibirsk City, and I start if you are new on this channel. I started this channel to share my ideas about a frugal lifestyle and personal finance. I left my company that I owned, that I founded in, and after 18 months I decided to start this channel, and I'm in the middle of step back in my career path. I don't have any kinds of income all of these 18 months, but nevertheless I can maintain my frugal lifestyle, and I can learn. I can take some downtime for myself in the middle of my career path. With just because of my financial security, because of my financial protection, and because of my financial habits. Back to the ground. I started this channel with observation of my city where I live now, to be easier understand how it plays on the ground, to how my financial habits intersects or are implementing on the practical aspects. How it plays with practical aspects and in real life. And also for some of you probably that would be sort of new information about Siberia, about Novosibirsk City, and I guess taking into account that Siberia is 1/10 of the world's landmass, and it has 7 time zones, and this time zone, the location of Novosibirsk City allows you to be in touch with almost all significant time zones, like west coast of the United States and Asia, the whole Asia, and also Europe and Middle East and Africa. You have just few hours time gap, and for west coast of the United States you can keep in touch with your partners or colleagues or friends in the morning and in the evening. And comparing to main part of Russia, not main, because actually Siberia covers 75 or 80% of Russian territory, but comparing to Moscow and St. Petersburg, you can easily commute, and you can enjoy remote work from this time zone. And so back to the DIY do-it-yourself DIY market, do-it-yourself market here in Novosibirsk City. On the background you can see Leroy Merlin. It is functioning mostly without cashiers because Novosibirsk City is a digital place. Contactless payments available everywhere, including street food retail and underground system, subway, public transportation system, everywhere. And also I did turn my purchases for 5 minutes. Just a few minutes ago, I just turned my purchases, and it took just 5 minutes. I guess it's good. It was my first experience here in Leroy Merlin, and nevertheless, I pretty I'm impressed by services, and without any questions, they just took the coordinates, took the contacts of my Apple Pay, and my money will turn back shortly in 3 days, and I guess it's good foreign policy or customer service in general. So I'll give you the scoop what's going on inside, and here's some outlook. We are in the industrial part of Novosibirsk City, but it's not so far from the city center. I went from my apartment just it was just for half an hour, I guess, on foot. And also speaking about today's temperature, by the way, is 75 degrees Fahrenheit. It's likely mid-20s Celsius. So here is some housing on the background. This housing on the river, on the Ob River, and I guess if you live in this housing, you can enjoy some panoramic views on the Ob River and to the both sides of Novosibirsk City. Novosibirsk has right side and left side, and so back to the Leroy Merlin. I can't show you the whole territory because outdoor territory is really large, and that's why I have to. But but I can show you a little bit. Sorry. I will show you what's going on inside of the building indoors. So here's the entrance. And then there's some machines so you can buy. There are ATMs and also some vending machines. You can buy some drinks or food, and also here is a cafe, a cafeteria. Here's, or the cafeteria. So people in green is a staff of Leroy Merlin, and also here's the, I guess it's a typical DIY mall. If you've seen one, you've seen a mall. I wouldn't make this like long video, but it has if you take a look, they have just machines for you can serve yourself, and they all for one assistant for four machines. I mean, if you have any questions, if you can't figure out something, but mostly I did use this machines. It's great. It's like ATM basically, and nothing easier I can imagine. And also another point about Siberia and about Novosibirsk City. Also, you can buy everything only contactless. I mean, of course you have a. I mean, I was too general. Sorry, I was too general. I mean, in this particular place with this automated cashier zone, you have to use contactless payments. You have to use contactless payments like Apple Pay, Google Pay, whatever, or credit cards, debit cards, and so on and so forth. You name that. And also, I mean, probably they provide some opportunity to pay cash, but I'm not fully sure. To pay by cash, but I'm not fully sure. So, generally speaking, you can use cash everywhere, but it doesn't make much sense because we have a whole bunch of applications like car sharing applications, taxi applications, food delivery applications. What else? Even all the most part of interactions with government, it's all online and with apps, different types of apps, with different apps, and with government actually it's pretty much one app that allows you to make your interactions easy and 24/7 and so on. They have user-friendly design. So here would be I sold my car. Yeah, to the next point. Moving on to the next point. I sold my car a few years ago because taxi applications extremely cheap, $2 or $3 per trip, you know, and actually new cars. No questions. I can use better car. I mean, like higher level of car if I wanna go to countryside or outside of the city. And also they have options for children, for women, whatever you want, and minivans and so on. So on the background you can see the typical gasoline station. It's Shell, right? This one it's probably, I'm not really sure. Yeah, it's a Shell gasoline station, and they have also typical store, and I'll probably, of course, contactless payments available everywhere, and also they surely have. I'll give you the scoop what's going on in terms of prices. Well, just a second. Yeah, you can buy gasoline that called 95. I'm not fully sure that it is international, but basically we have 95, 98, 92 class of gasoline, and 98 quality costs gasoline 98 quality costs like, I guess 60 cents per liter. Well, you'd better use Google to convert this to gallons, but yeah, and this is more. It's higher. It's the higher price. I mean, probably 40 or 50 cents per 95, and also 40 cents per diesel. So they have also outdoor place as well. I mean, to drink coffee or like outdoor dining are available, and also it's a gasoline station here in Siberia and in Novosibirsk City. Well, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, remember to subscribe. Remember that caring is sharing. Feel free to ask me any questions about Siberia or about Novosibirsk City, or put your questions in the comments below, and also enjoy your day. Have an awesome day. See you guys.